Hello folks, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. Today we're going to be doing an old-fashioned oatmeal pie. Honestly, it tastes about like a pecan pie. It's really good, and we're going to be doing it today for an open collaboration on Leanne's channel, Mennonite Farmhouse. And she's running this open collaboration for Pie Day. And you can check it out over on her channel. We'll have the playlist in our description. And you can also check it out over on her channel there. Great channel, great cooking, great baking. Check her out. And let's get started. Alrighty. For this recipe here, we've made it before. It is really good, folks. You're going to need 4 eggs, lightly beaten. 1 cup of packed light brown sugar, 1 cup of corn syrup, 2/3 cup of granulated sugar, 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now we're going to be using butter that's got salt in it, so we're going to eliminate the salt. We're not going to add it. But if you're using unsalted butter, you'll need to put a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now here's the butter. 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, melted. 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. 1½ cups of quick oats. And we've made this before. The recipe calls for just 1 pie shell. Every other time we've made it before, we've needed 2 deep dish pie shells. So you'll be getting 2 pies. Now watch, today something will go different there and just be 1. But anyway, that's what we're going with there. Alrighty, let's get started. Alrighty, we'll start off by adding our 4 eggs. Put in our brown sugar and our plain sugar, white sugar. Alright, let me set this over here out of the way. Put on our attachment here. Alrighty. Set that up there. Now, we're going to put our flour in. Sprinkle that in there. Put our corn syrup. This is a quick, easy pie, folks. And gosh, it's good. By the way, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Now we're going with just store-bought shell today. I'm not no pie crust maker. Carolyn's the one that does that. Put our oatmeal in there. Now, it calls for 1½ teaspoons. As Carolyn always said, measure vanilla with your heart. A little bit more than that in there, but it won't hurt a thing. Lock it in, and then just mix it all together. About to forget, I just happened to look over here on the side. See my butter. Now we'll let that mix up there good. there. Now we'll pour it into our pie shells. Clean my mess up here. I'll be adding a little bit more to that probably. Alrighty, let me get over here to the oven. We'll see it here in about 30 minutes. We start looking at after about 30 minutes. Usually the old oven, it took around 40 minutes, but we'll let you know when we get to that part. Alrighty folks, here they are. They're not the prettiest ones this time. I cooked them for 40 minutes total. After 30 minutes, I put a piece of foil over top so our crust wouldn't get really brown. And as you can see, I messed up the topping a little bit. It'll still taste good. We're not going to be doing a taste test today. I'm going to actually be taking these over to Mom's. We'll be eating them over there. And as you know, they don't really care for the camera or anything. But trust me, they're good. I hope you all have a blessed day and a blessed weekend. Stay safe, Lord willing. Don't forget to check out Leanne over at Mennonite Farmhouse. And she'll have a playlist, and we'll copy the playlist and put it in our description. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a blessed day.
Down on the farm where the green grass grows, we're thankful for the love that everybody knows. It's another day under the white blue sky, with the sun shining bright and the time drifting by. Holmans Homestead, where the story unfolds, our hearts full of laughter and our memories go. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee. At Holmans Homestead, we're never alone. With every view and every share, you make this place home. From sunrise to sunset in fields so wide, with family and friends, we've nothing to hide. We're building our dreams one day at a time, with each gentle tune and each heartfelt rhyme. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee. At Holmans Homestead, we're never alone. With every view and every share, you make this place home. From sunrise to sunset in fields so wide, with family and friends, we've nothing to hide. We're building our dreams one day at a time, with each gentle tune and each heartfelt rhyme. So here's to the moments we all hold dear. With every new subscriber, we spread that cheer. In the heart of the homestead, love's always true. Thank you for being a part of our crew. So thank you for watching, we all hold dear. With every new subscriber, we spread that cheer. In the heart of the homestead, love's always true. Thank you for being a part of our crew. So thank you for watching as we close this song. At Holmans Homestead, where we all belong. With your hearts beside us, we'll keep rolling on. Thank you for watching, we'll see you at dawn. So thank you for watching as we close this song at Holmans Homestead, where we all belong. With your hearts beside us, we'll keep rolling on. Thank you for watching. We'll see you at dawn.